as a cradle of civilization to its dynamic role in shaping the 21st century. India's story is one of endurance, innovation, and unity. This afternoon, I will be taking you through four key aspects of India's progress, namely infrastructure and economic development, science and technological innovation, defense modernization, and international diplomacy. These four pillars illuminate where India stands today and the roadmap we are building into the future. As we dive into each of these topics, you will see how beautifully they are interwoven into a tapestry of progress. One that not only reflects India's aspirations but also its contributions to the world. To begin with, infrastructure and economic development, building the backbone. Infrastructure is the very skeleton upon which a nation builds its identity, and India has embraced this truth with such urgency and scale unmatched in recent history. From roadways to railways and from digital networks to ports, the story of India's infrastructure development is of a transformative vision. Consider the Gati Shakti National Master Plan, which aims to coordinate the efforts of 16 ministries to fast-track progress in terms of urban infrastructure development. It aims to ensure seamless connectivity between roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Its ripple effects are being seen already. Travel times are getting shorter, transportation is getting cheaper, and businesses are flourishing in previously remote areas. The length of India's highway networks too has doubled over the past decade, while the ambitious projects like the Bharatmala Pariyojana continue building roads in the most challenging of the terrains, be it the Himalayan borders or the northeastern states. Railways too are undergoing a significant revolution, with electrification of over 50% of the trains and introduction of semi-high-speed trains like the Vande Bharat Express. Economic reforms are the engines that are driving these projects. The introduction of GST, goods and service taxes, has created a unified market for business operations across the states. Furthermore, the initiatives like Make in India and production-linked incentives are attracting domestic and foreign investments in areas like semiconductors, electronics and electric vehicles. These reforms have helped India emerge as the fifth largest economy despite the global disruptions like the COVID-19 pandemic. To sum up my views on infrastructure development in India, I would like to say that infrastructure is not just about building roads or ports. It's about building a nation connected and full of opportunities. Consider a farmer who can now sell his produce directly into the market due to cheaper transportation, or a business owner who relies on steady electricity, or even a student logging into online classes because of the fiber optic internet connectivity available in his village. This is the India we are building, connected, resilient and full of opportunities. Moving on to science and technological innovation, pioneering the frontier. India has always been a land of innovation, from the invention of zero to pioneering of surgical techniques in ancient times. And we continue to lead in scientific discovery and technological progress, defining new possibilities for humanity with each step. India's space program, headed by ISRO, is the pride of the nation. In 2023, India has made history by landing a rover on the lunar South Pole. But this is not a mere technical achievement. It's a symbol of India's ability to dream big and achieve against all the odds. Looking ahead, the Gaganyaan mission plans to put Indian astronauts into space, further solidifying our stance as a spacefaring nation. In technology too, India is undergoing a digital renaissance. With the introduction of Aadhaar, the world's largest biometric identification system has revolutionized governance, enabling direct benefits to over 1 billion people. Furthermore, startups in areas like artificial intelligence, robotics and blockchains are not only solving local problems but are setting global benchmarks. India's commitment towards fostering innovation in young minds is evident through Atal Tinkering Labs and School Innovation Councils, which focus on building skills of students in the areas like software and website development, coding, or even be it circuitry. Energy is another area where we shine. We are already the fourth largest producer of energy and plan to meet 50% of our energy needs through renewables by the year 2030. solar farms in Rajasthan and wind farms in Tamil Nadu reflect